PSUs ensure stable power delivery, protect components, improve performance, and support high-end GPUs and CPUs in Gaming PCs. Today's video is about top 5 best PSUs for gaming PCs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Golden Field Nexus Computer Power Supply. This 850W fully modular power supply is a premium choice for high-performance gaming and workstation builds. Featuring 80+ gold certification, it delivers up to 92 efficiency at typical loads, helping reduce heat and power waste. Compliance with Intel ATX 3.1 standards and a native PCIe 5.112v-2x6 connector ensures full compatibility with next-generation GPUs, including NVIDIA RTX 50 series, making it future-ready. Its fully modular design with all-black textured cables allows clean cable management and improved airflow inside the case. The included 600W12v-2x6 cable and multiple CPU, GPU, SATA, and Molex connectors provide excellent versatility for modern and legacy components alike. Cooling is handled by a smart 12 cm fan with a hybrid 0 dB mode, offering silent operation under light loads while maintaining efficient cooling when needed. Built with 105 degrees Celsius Japanese capacitors and advanced protection systems, OVP, UVP, OPP, SCP, etc., it ensures stable and safe performance under heavy workloads. Backed by decades of engineering expertise and a 5-year warranty, this PSU offers reliability, efficiency, and durability for serious PC builders. Now our second product is Seasonic Focus Power Supply. This next-generation power supply is designed for high-end gaming and professional PC builds, offering full support for ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards. With a native 12v-2x6 connector, it is fully ready for the latest NVIDIA RTX 5080 and AMD RX 9000 series graphics cards, ensuring stable and future-proof GPU compatibility. Efficiency is a standout feature, with both 80+ Gold and Cybernetics Platinum certifications, delivering excellent power efficiency, lower heat generation, and reduced electricity waste even under heavy workloads. The innovative OptiSync design enhances thermal performance and durability, helping maintain optimal temperatures during long gaming or rendering sessions. Cooling is further improved by a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing (FDB) fan paired with a hybrid fan control system, allowing near-silent operation at low loads and intelligent speed adjustment when performance demand increases. Overall, this PSU combines cutting-edge standards, superior efficiency, and advanced cooling technology, making it an ideal choice for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want reliable, quiet, and future-ready power delivery for demanding systems. Our third product is Be Quiet Straight Power Modular Power Supply. The Straight Power 12-1500W is a premium high-performance power supply designed for extreme gaming rigs and professional workstations. With 80+ platinum certification and up to 93.9 efficiency, it delivers outstanding power savings, lower heat output, and quieter overall operation. Its ultra-low standby consumption of under 0.1 W further enhances energy efficiency for modern systems. Built on ATX 3.0 standards, it features native 12V HPWR support for next-generation PCIe 5.0 GPUs along with 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors, ensuring excellent compatibility with both current and future high-end graphics cards. The massive single 12V rail provides stable 1500W continuous output and can handle demanding power spikes with ease, making it ideal for flagship CPUs and GPUs. Cooling is handled by the Silent Wings fan, engineered for near-silent performance using advanced blade design, fluid dynamic bearing, and a 6-pole motor. A funnel-shaped air intake improves airflow efficiency, while the wire-free internal design enhances cooling and component lifespan. Overall, this PSU combines efficiency, silence, and extreme power delivery for top-tier PC builds. Now number 4, Asus ROG Strix Platinum Power Supply. The ROG Strix Platinum Power Supply is a top-tier unit built for high-end gaming systems and professional performance rigs. Featuring advanced GaN MOSFET technology, it delivers up to 30 improved power efficiency while maintaining a cleaner internal layout for better airflow and cooler operation. Its innovative GPU first voltage sensing system with an intelligent stabilizer enhances power delivery to the graphics card by up to 45, ensuring smoother gameplay and stable performance even under heavy loads. Combined with large ROG heatsinks, the PSU effectively reduces temperatures and noise compared to standard reference designs. Cooling reliability is further strengthened by dual ball bearing fans, which last up to twice as long as traditional sleeve bearings, while 0dB technology allows near-silent operation during light workloads or casual gaming. Built on ATX 3.1 standards with PCIe 5.0 readiness and a native 12V-2x6 connector, it is fully future-proof for next-generation GPUs. With 80+ platinum efficiency and a 10-year warranty, this PSU guarantees long-term reliability, stability, and elite-level performance. And our last choice is MSI fully modular compact gaming power supply. This power supply is a reliable and future-ready choice for modern PC builds, designed with full support for PCIe 5.1 and ATX 3.1 standards. It ensures excellent compatibility with next-generation graphics cards and high-performance components, making it ideal for gaming, creative work, and demanding workloads. With 80+ gold certification, it delivers high energy efficiency, reducing power waste, heat output, and electricity costs while maintaining stable performance under load. The inclusion of 100 Japanese 105°C capacitors further enhances durability and long-term reliability, ensuring consistent power delivery even in heavy usage conditions. Its fully modular design allows users to connect only the necessary cables, improving airflow, reducing clutter, and making system building much easier and cleaner. This is especially beneficial for compact or high-end PC cases where cable management matters. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this PSU offers strong confidence in long-term operation and product quality. Overall, it combines efficiency, durability, and modern standards, making it a solid foundation for any high-performance PC build. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.